Little bit nervous about this video.
From nothing, grinding and running, struggling to survive. One day I'll make
Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here, and today is going to be an interesting type of video where I'm going to share with you guys how much money I make on YouTube as a small creator on the platform. So I've been on YouTube since June 2014, if you could believe that. So I have been making videos since that long, but I haven't been really making like a bunch of videos in the early days. It was just for fun. It was maybe one video a week or one video a month. It was just random schedules, and I wasn't really putting my 100% effort into the channel. Also because I was in college as well, and so yeah, I was just going back and forth, and so I didn't really take YouTube seriously until the last 2 years. I didn't really take it seriously. So today guys, like I said, I'm gonna share with you guys how much money I make. But before we get there, of course, like I said, June 2014, I have 2,200 subscribers on my channel, which is crazy. So thank you guys for subscribing to my channel and watching all of my videos as well. So that's crazy that people actually want to subscribe to me and my channel here on YouTube. Next, of course, 1.7 million total views on the channel, which is just mind-blowing. That since 2014 until now, altogether 1.7 million views. It's a lot of views for me. And so yeah, thank you again guys, just for watching all those videos and laughing at me in the early days and still laughing at me now while I make these videos. But yeah, it's just really interesting to see all that data while I'm looking at YouTube Studio when I'm researching and looking at my data on my channel. And then of course, 1.2 thousand videos I have uploaded to my channel, which is insane that I have uploaded 1,000 videos and only have 2,000 subscribers, which I think something is wrong there, of course. But yeah, it's just still crazy that I have uploaded all those videos. Of course, like I said, a lot of the early videos were not seriously videos, were just like sometimes were for fun. Sometimes I use my channel for as a portfolio, so I'll just upload the videos there and then just upload them to my portfolio site. So some videos of course are private and are probably just work stuff, so that's why it feels like it's a ton of videos on the channel. But yeah, 1,000 videos is really insane for me. And then of course, where do we have here? Of course, so like I said guys, on my channel here, a lot of the money that I make on my channel here is made by AdSense. So if you don't know what AdSense is of course Google's a way of paying people a percentage of while ads are popping up on their videos. So on YouTube, of course, I take a piece of the cut and then YouTube takes the other half. And so it's an equal, so YouTube pays the creators to keep uploading videos and creating videos as long as you show ads. And so yeah, like I said, 100% of my channel is made by, it's making money by AdSense. So right now I'm counting on AdSense for the channel to make money from. But also, that's not where I want the future, of course, to go to. I don't want just continue making money from just AdSense, since AdSense doesn't really pay that much. And so I want to slowly, of course, in the future, merch is one thing, sponsorships hopefully in the future will be coming soon, where I just want to have it equally and not just only depend on AdSense, because even though YouTube does a pretty decent job of paying the creators, of course, but if you're a small creator, you're not making a bunch of money. If you're a David Dobrik or a Casey Neistat or some other top YouTubers, then yes, you are making a nice some nice change. But if you're like a small creator like me with only 2,000 subscribers, then you're not really making anything on YouTube. And good thing I actually don't count on AdSense as my full income, of course. I do have a day job. So yeah, I don't count on YouTube to making me money or anything like that. all the money that I make from AdSense actually goes back into the channel as well. So I just reinvest it to hopefully make it grow the channel a little bit faster, and that's why you see all these things, because thanks to AdSense, and also of course my day job that I'm able to have, that helps a little bit with, you know, supporting this channel as well. So the big reveal is, how much money am I making on YouTube right now since being on YouTube in total? And the answer is 2,214 with 44 cents. So that's how much money I have made since 2014 until now on YouTube. Now, as you can see, it's not a living wage. It's not money that, you know, I'm making, like, I'm not making big money or anything like that on YouTube here, which is, you know, a little bit sad, of course, but also I'm not in it for the money really. I'm in it just because I want to share with you guys some cool stuff that I think I find interesting, and hopefully you guys find interesting and learn something about it as well. So yeah, that's how much money I've been making since 2014. Like I said, in the early days, I wasn't making any money. I didn't even make money in the first like 4 years, I think, of making YouTube videos. Also because I wasn't really, you know, putting 100% into it. Not like now. But yeah, it's just really interesting to see how much I have come a long way since the beginning days of my YouTube channel here. And so yeah, it's just something interesting that I think you guys might want to know about, of course, how much money I'm making currently on YouTube as a small creator, and maybe it'll show you guys, for anybody thinking about starting a YouTube channel, about how hard it is right now to make money on YouTube. But you can still do it. I'm not saying don't do it, you can still do it. It'll be maybe a different style, maybe you'll have better luck. It's just make videos. Just keep uploading videos. If you guys are thinking about uploading to YouTube, making a YouTube channel, just go for it and try it out. And if it's not for you, then it's not for you. And if you just like doing it for fun, then do it for fun like me, because it's just really, really fun making YouTube videos as well. I find it really, really fun. And just having the community around, not just the subscriber community like you guys, but also other YouTubers that I am able to communicate with, collaborate with. And it's just really, really interesting, and it's just really fun. And yeah, so that's it for now, guys. I hope you guys found this video interesting. If you guys did find this video interesting and did like it, please do like the video, because that does help a lot. And as always, you can subscribe to the channel to keep up with me if you want to find out the latest tech news, latest app stuff, how much money I'm making on YouTube. Please do subscribe to the channel, because that does help. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.